Hello guys, this is Gear Up Windows. In this video, we will guide you on how to update or install Windows 11 22 H2 on unsupported PCs. For example, I had earlier installed Windows 11 on Mac Airbook, and you can see my system is running Windows 11 Pro version 22 H2. If you have also installed Windows 11 by bypassing TPM 2.0 or Secure Boot earlier, and now Windows does not allow to upgrade to 22H2 version, or you have stuck at Windows 10 due to a strict system requirements. This video will help you in updating your Windows machine. So all you have to download a small script from this one GitHub website, and you can find this link on this video description also. So here you need to click on this one code, and here click on this one download zip. A small file will be downloaded on your PC, that is basically a few scripts. Right click on this one script file that is in zip and select extract all. Click extract. Now a new folder will open on your PC. Double click on this. Double click on bypass 11. Right click on this one bypass TPM check on dynamic update and select here run as administrator. Press yes if prompted, and you will see if you will run first time, then you will see installed here, and if you want to remove, then when next time you will run the same script, bypassing will be removed from your PC. And if you want to bypass your Windows 11 to install 22H2, then you need to run it only once, as you can see on the screen installed. That means I can now install Windows 22H2 without any problem on my PC. And even if you are running Windows 10, you can, after running this one script, you can download Windows 11 latest setup Windows 11 22H2 from Microsoft website, extract in a folder, and just double click on the setup file, and hopefully you will not get any error during upgrading your Windows 11 or 10 machine. Thank you for watching this video. If you are new to our channel Gear Up Windows, please subscribe to this channel, and if you have already subscribed to our channel and you find this video useful, then kindly press thumbs up and also comment. Thank you. Bye bye. See you in the next video.